Sir, thank you very much for giving me floor and also the presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good evening. In this presentation, I will unfold my presentation. First, I will give the presentation about the overview of fire and civil defense. Then I will give some idea about the fire and RMG sector. Then I will apply about the challenges of the RMG sector and step taken to improve the fire safety in RMG. And then we will draw the recommendations, some recommendations. Now, how we are? We are the life-saving folks. Why we are looking for saving folks? Whenever any disaster or calamity takes place anywhere in Bangladesh, we are the first responder. And we give importance to the life, that's why we call the life-saving folks. We are being firefighter at the first man to in and last man to out. Bangladesh Fire Service Civil Defense is the government first responder. We remain alert 24 hours for mitigating any disaster or the calamity in the crisis moment. Our mission is to acquire competency as one of the leading firefighting and disaster management organizations in Asia by 2021. Our mission to protect safe lives and property for safe and secure Bangladesh. The watchword, slogan, we work together to survive together. These are the three words given for us to work on the spot, on ground, suppressing any disaster or firefighting. These are the speed, service, and sacrifice. All over the country, as of now, we have 298 fire stations, and our total manpower is around 8,000. As you know, that our government Prime Minister has declared that by the end of 2016, each Upazila will have minimum one fire station. That's why recently we have taken a number of projects. These are the 156 projects, 78 projects, 76 projects, and 25 projects. We are secured off by the end of 2016. The total fire station will be 549. At that time, the total manpower will be just about around 15,000. Our role is to carry out the firefighting, rescue, then provide the medic, and we also render training to the various organization services. The core responsibility of fire service is civil defense. During the disaster, while any calamity or any building collapse will be taken place, we will go for the search and rescue operation, and in that we will also carry out the evacuation and deputy management. We will also carry out the firefighting, fire rescue, water rescue, and landslide rescue. We do carry out the transport rescue, boat capsize rescue, freight rescue, plane crash rescue. As I have mentioned, one of our tasks is to disseminate the knowledge to the various organizations. As part of that, we are regularly carrying out media training and training for the various government and NGOs, school training, urban volunteer training, sun training, and the government training. We also provide advice to the fire prevention and fire safety media for the garbage factory and the other factories. We maintain networking with the International Firefighting and Civil Defense Organization. We also carry out research work on firefighting and civil defense methodology. Fire service civil defense provides the following facilities to the various factories and the governments. These are we issue the fire license. We also provide the clearance for the high-rise building. Then we also carry out the training for the RMG factories, carry out the drill for the RMG factories. We also carry out the fire inspection, fire safety consultancy, advice for the RMG factory. Now this is the figure all over the country. This is the figure all over the country. The number of causes of fires are, as you see on the screen, these are the electrical fire, kitchen fire, cigarette, naked fire. But if you consider the ranking aspect, the total 55% fires are occurred due to the malfunction of the electricity and misuse of electricity and faulty electricity. This is the scenario of the fire stations in Bangladesh. 2015, the total fire incident took place 12,312, and the death toll so far as of today 180. Now this is the scenario of the RLB section. We have taken a lot of the incident of the Rana Plaza, we have taken a lot of initiatives. That's why, if you see the scenario, we could reduce the incident of the fire. This year, 2015 up to today, the total number of incidents is only 30. There is no death, nobody on it. This is a huge achievement of ours, as because of number of stakeholders, we have taken number of steps, positive steps. That's why we could reduce these numbers. Now, to extinguish the fire, you need to understand the detail about the fire, the meaning of the fire. This will help you to suppress the fire if you really understand this one. The F means find. When you find the fire, you need to inform. To whom you will inform the firefighter within your organization and the fire service civil defense. They will respond, and at the end they will extinguish the fire. This is the meaning of the fire. I think you have marked up these 4 words. The message of the fire. Fire is a very good servant. He will cook, will help you to cook food, warm your home, generate electricity, but very bad master. He will damage thousands of home shops, damage vast area of forest, kill thousands of people. The fire incident cost. There will be number of loss of life, damage to property, loss of business, loss of goodwill, and environment pollution. As I mentioned, around the year, we used to receive call more than 50,000 for every year. On an average, the total death toll is 100 plus per year. Then huge property of losses, about 50% fire are caused by the electricity. The fire safety goal. We give importance to the life, then give importance to the saving the property. Now, how will ensure the safety of the life? If you follow the BNBC, Bangladesh National Building Code, for structural, making the structure, this will help you to reduce the fire hazard and also raising the alarm, smoke management, adequate means of escape, protection of the escape load. If you can ensure this thing, you can ensure the safety of the life. Now, the building should have, these are the following inbuilt facilities. These are the active fire system and the passive fire system. I will not go for detail, but you see on the screen. I know you all have good knowledge about this one. Now, how the fire spread? Here is fire spread in 3 directions, 2 directions into horizon and the vertical direction. And the smoke, they travel the stair, then the ventilation, they travel through the ventilation wall, and the heat wall properties, the ceiling and roof wires, and also wall holes. Through these pins, the fire spread all over the building. That's why you need to give importance about these aspects, especially the convection, convection, and radiation. Fire will happen, you cannot stop the fire. But if fire happens, try to contain the fire within the room so that it does not spread out the other room. That's the thing. The changing of fire scenes, as the days are changing and we are leading the modern life, that's why day by day we are using the modern content. This is very, very dangerous. As you see this graph, in ordinary content, you will get a lot of time for the fire suppression, and also we will get a lot of time for response. But the modern content will not get a lot of time. When the fire will set, the oxygen will be burned off and the fire will develop immediately. That will reduce the time of the response. That's why we need to take guards about the using the modern content. How do we take guard? By ensuring the safety, good housekeeping, maintaining the electric properties, and the awareness, develop the awareness, we can ensure the safety of this modern content. And for fire service levels, we are taking a lot of guards. We are trained up ourselves. We are staging forward our station. We are developing number of stations, and we are finding out the lacunar area, gap areas for the fire suppression, and we are establishing the satellite fire station. By through this, we are reducing the response time. Now, as you see on the screen, you see the picture. The legacy content room, it takes 30 minutes to burn the whole room. But what about the modern room? It takes only 3 minutes 40 seconds. That means the modern room is burning 10 times than that of the legacy room. The fire protection, the key success of the fire protection is that you need to educate the employee, and they should go for the regular practice. You need to have the clear picture about the fire suppression. You need to avoid the fire exit and location of the fire extinguisher. You need to build up the awareness of the potential fire hazard. Think safety, not just compliance. Now about the period. We are dealing with the fire government in the sector, but through this we have developed a lot of impression about the R&D sector. I think if you can take guards on this, you can ensure the 90% safety of the government sector. Like these are the lack of knowledge about the fire extinguisher of the employee, lack of knowledge about the evacuation drill of the plant, lack of knowledge about the various marking, lack of knowledge about the fire alarm, lack of knowledge exit road and out, lack of practice of the fire drill, frequent change of manpower. Every day, number of people are migrating from one factory to another factory, but they do not have any knowledge regarding the evacuation drill and also the fire drill and also the environment of the factory. So for you, it is important whenever a newcomer will come in your factory, you need to train up, you need to make an orientation program so that he or she learn everything about your factory environment. And people do not know. When fire is set, home to report, lack of knowledge about the location extinguisher, absence of qualified engineer, electrical engineer, high officials do not take part in the fire training and drill, absence of clear idea about the fire hazard, not to follow storage guideline, blocking the exit road with goods, poor maintenance of electrical panel. These are the source of ignition in the factory. As you see on the screen, the smoker materials, cigarette, matches, lighters, naked flame, hot process, then the fault or misused electrical equipment. These are the ignition, source of the ignition of the factory. Now this is very, very important. In general, in factories, there are two types of fire take place. These are the accidental fire and the incidental fire. Accidental fire takes place because of the electrical, spark, boiling spark, overheat, machinery friction, and boiler expiration. The incidental fire. What is incidental fire? Anything that a person with bad intention wants to damage by fire, that's incidental fire. The incidental fire, what for incidental fire will take place? This is the checking period. If I have the individual, I will go for the incidental fire. Or worker unrest or salary demand, if they have, they may go for the incidental fire. Or gaining the profit and monetary gain, people may go for the incidental fire. Now the clues for the incidental fire. Within your factory, if you find some symptom, like identify the promotion and dissatisfaction among the worker, like for the leave, salary or any other issues, identify the personal clash between the authority and the workers, personal clash between the owners, if factory owner or individual suffer from heavy load, then report suspicious person or behavioral material if you get you should take girls, any theft case or missing any important document file. This indicates the incendiary activity. Now, means of arson for the incendiary fire, these are the arsonists will use the smoker materials like the cigarette, matches or lighters. They will use the accelerant. These are the petrol and octane. Add up the faulty or misplace the electrical connection. Improvise. They will use the improvised device like the cocktail, explosive, pipe bomb, and also other trade, pepper trade. They will use all this for the incendiary fire. Now you can count if you adopt the robust covert and covert security. Through this you can ensure the incendiary fire. Stop the incendiary fire. This is very, very important. Nowadays this is coming up. That's why you need to give importance about this aspect. Now the accidental fire. Some merely lack of maintenance, the accident fire take place. So you need to take that periodically. You need to maintain all the electrical appliances and the equipment. Now the incendiary fire, as you see on the screen, the people will use the pepper trail, the accelerant means for setting the fire. They will use the improvised device, misuse the electrical line. Now the factory dangerous areas, these are the areas, key areas you need to give importance, you need to take guards. These are the waste area, chemical store, yard, warehouse, electrical control panel, machine, electrical control and the washing point. These are the points you need to take guards. These are the source of ignition, these are the hazard area for the factory. Now, factors contribute to the casualty, these are the fires, suffocation, stampede, unable to exit. If you can avoid this, in peacetime, if you have the clear evacuation plan and road, carry out the fire and smoke drill, evacuation drill. If all should have knowledge regarding the exit road during the fire, you should not get panic. Keep your head cool. This will help you to survive yourself. During evacuation, do not run and do not try to take anything. The evacuation should not be done at the same time. It should be done in systematic way. Fire affected road should carry out the evacuation drill first, then the next dangerous road. And do not place anything in exit way or to block the exit way. Now when it is safe to firefight for you, the incipient stage is the right time to use the extinguisher. Thereafter, this is the vision of the firefighter. So whenever you see the fire at your height, this height, then you can take the decision. And that time, if you have the number of extinguishers, you can easily take the break, you have the exit way. And at the end, if your mind says that you should go for fire, then you can only go for the fire, otherwise not. Then it will bring the disaster for you. And while it is not safe to go for firefighting, if you see fire is above your height, that is means fire is at a growth stage at this. And if you think that you are not able to get the break, if you think that you don't have the number of extinguishers, you do not know the exit way, then all this will help you not to go for the firefighting. And for you, the good solution is that whenever you will go anywhere, you try to find out the exit way or the escape road. If you go visit a market, before entering the market, you try to learn what is the exit road. Okay? That will help to save your life. Now in the fire event, when the fire will develop, there will be the number of mysteries in fire environment. These are the flashovers all over the backdrop, the world, all over the world. Maximum firefighter and people die due to the post-fire environment. That's why you need to understand this one. When the heat will develop within the room, the temperature will be double about the 1000 degrees centigrade. That time the flashover will take place. And the background, when the all uncertain the oxygen will be consumed, there will be diffusivity of the oxygen. That time it needs the oxygen. When you break the door, the new oxygen will influx the door and the backdraft will be occurred. Backdraft is nothing, it's the explosion. Now imagine it's a sequence. Whenever you will identify fire, turn off the electrical panel engaged, inform the factory marshal and the nearest fire station. Then introduce the fire alarm. Factory firefighter should improve response. Evacuation to the assembly area. Assemble to the assembly area. You should carry out the head count and hand over the missing load to the firefighter. At that time, I think firefighter will reach onto the spot. So you need to hand over all this information, critical information. The irony is faced there. Whenever a big calamity, big fire happened in a place, when we respond on the spot, nobody gives us a critical information about it. How many people are lost? Nobody could give us this information. Now the electricity safety, as I have mentioned, the 55% fire are occurred due to the electricity fault. These are the level remote the ground pin. The exposed wire and terminal are hazardous. The electrical panel has missing circuit breakers. Never use a panel that has the exposed wire. Then electrical power distribution. The outer insulation of the electrical cord must be intact. Use proper rated extension cord. Defective or inadequate insulation is a hazard. Never attempt to repair a damaged cord with a tap. Do not run extension cords through a door or windows. Never hang extension cord from nails or sharp objectives. Overload electricity circuit can cause fire. Always avoid using the tools in quiet location. Now, tips to prevent fire in a workplace, the accessibility. You need to have the easy access. You always ensure the easy access to the hazardous areas like the electric control panel, the boiler area, so that any incident you can go rush to the spot and shut down the system. Never block the exit way. You should ensure the good housekeeping. You should ensure the proper wastage disposal. Maintenance. Regularly you should maintain the equipment or accessories, whatever you have. Then you should immediately report the electrical hazard. If you can identify or notice any electrical hazard, immediately you should take guards. You should store the chemical item. And your extinguisher should be fully charged always. And encourage your worker to use the extinguisher. You should follow the storage guideline and you should clean the store, the floor, especially the scarecrow should be very clean. There should not be any obstruction. You see it, you warn it, and you immediately. If you find this type of scenario in your house or the factory area, you should take guards. It should be absolutely clear that you should not place anything in the corridor to the exit point. You should avoid it. You should avoid it. You should simply avoid it. There is a good condition and a bad condition. While you store the chemical, you should follow this one. Absolutely, you should avoid this one. You should not go for the unsafe working in the factory or factory area. Now, the storage guideline, this is very, very important, as I have mentioned. By merely adopting the storage guideline, you should ensure the safety of the fire. If you do not follow the storage guideline, then the conduction, convection, and radiation will play a happen. and ultimately, rapidly fire will develop and it will be very difficult and unmanageable for the firefighter to manage the fire. That's why the simple is that all stores must be at least 3 feet from the electrical panels, maintain at least 3 feet clearance from the heating surface, heaters and lighting fixtures. Do not store combustible material in mechanical rooms. Maintain at least 3 feet clearance from the ceiling, sideboard and in between the step. Maintain 6 feet gap in between the step. Now some big incident, fire incident in the R&D sector that you see on this thing. These are the spectrum building colors. Then Godivan Godin, the Humming Group total death toll was 26. Galsman Fashion Limited death toll was 111. The spot 126. Now, while suppressing the fire or responding any disaster in the factories, we are facing a lot of challenges. These are the always we receive the delayed information. That's become a big challenge for us to suppress the fire. If you inform us lately, that means you are allowing fire to develop. Lack of water source, narrow road and traffic jam, crowd control is a big challenge for us. Lack of fireman connection. In factory, we don't get the Siemens connection, which is adaptable with us. That's why it takes for us to connect the water source. It could be very easier if you have if you could establish a very good system, the plugging system, which should be similar to the fire service. Then it will help us to connect the water system with it, and thereby will reduce the time. That is a big factor. If you kill the time, that means you are allowing fire to develop, and that time it will be very unmanageable to manage the fire. Blocking the entry road and the exit road, lack of critical information. We don't receive any missing information. Nobody can give us the proper information how many people are lost, and nobody can provide the building design. If you do not provide the building design as a firefighter, it is very difficult to identify the exit, proper exit. That's why you need to help in this regard to the fire service civil defense. Conversion of the residential building into the industrial is a big challenge. In a high-rise building, there is no lift. In a high-rise building, we have a 6-story. You should have the fireman lifts, but you don't get that this facility. Overhead electricity lights line is a big problem for using the multi-purpose light. They are highly used modern content. It is increasing day by day. That's why it is also reducing the response time for fire service civil defense. It's a big challenge for us, but we are trying to mitigate this problem through the training and establishing the new training, adopting the new tactics. At the same time, I think owners should take the guidance about how to manage the modern content. You should go for the regular checking the electrical panel, maintain the things, go for the drill. If you can carry out all these things and good housekeeping, thereby you should manage the modern content. Now, step taken for the improvement of fire safety. Regularly, we are doing the collaboration with the various stakeholders. This is very important. If you don't have the various stakeholders, do not have the collaboration coordination, that means in the right time it will be very difficult to carry out the operation. That's why regularly we are doing this thing. Because we need to come at the same pace. That will help us to suppress the fire. The monitoring the fire safety during the renewal of the fire license, monthly inspection by the fire ministerial committee, public awareness activities conducted by the local fire station, mobile court operation we are carrying out, then awareness program through banner, leaflet, talk show in television, TV commercial, radio, telecast, then training program we are carrying out. Every month we are carrying out more than 200 training programs in army sector. Recently, we have posted 218 inspectors that has capability, develop the capacity of the fire service in regards to the inspection. we have established the hotline system. We have developed the special urban search and rescue team for separation. And we have developed, the government has tasked us to develop 62,000 volunteers by the end of 2016. But as of today, we have developed 30,000 volunteers all over the country. These volunteers are the invaluable asset for us. Whenever any disaster or fire take place, they are the first responder. They respond and try to suppress the fire, and we reach onto the spot and plug in with their system. These escalate the operation of the fire suppression. We are procuring the modern equipment for developing the capacity of the fire service. Recently, 48 structure of BDAB has been trained by the Fire Service Civil Defense. Washa has been requested to establish hiding points in Dhaka city area. Initiative has been taken to establish the fire safety training institute to strengthen fire prevention and mitigation facilities. 9 new fire stations in the garbage dance pond area will be established immediately. We have sent the proposal to the ministry. Recently, we have received 50 ambulances, 100 train vehicles, 150 motorcycles donated by the government of China, which will be mostly used in RMZ sector. As I mentioned, we have sent proposal to establishing the fire station in 9 areas, especially in the garbage dense area. These are the areas you can see on the screen. Recently, we have received 50 motorcycles donated by ILO, which will be mostly used in RMZ sector by the inspectors. Minister fire station at Korabari we have developed, and DBDL, they have helped in this regard. This will help us to suppress the fire. The purpose of mini fire station is to, whatever initial stage, they will rush to the spot and suppress the fire. And they will, and the moment the fire station will reach up to the spot, they will provide the favorable condition for the fire service event to suppress the fire or combating the fire. This is a very good step. We have a plan to develop more mini fire stations, especially in government dense area. Carry out the inter-ministerial inspection in each month we are carrying out. As I mentioned, we are carrying out the huge programs, training, fire drill, survey, all over the government sector, and we have started this program since 2007. As you see in the screen, this is the statistics of the training, survey, and the fire drill. As of today, we have developed 227,000 workers. We have given training to the 220,000 workers. Now we have the recommendation. Carry out fire and evacuation drill regularly. Also know the phone number of the special the fire marshal within the factory and also the fire station. Maintenance of the emergency exit. The compliance and the implementation of the condition of the fire license, maintain water pressure in whose head, garbage factories should be relocated to the government village, for better awareness training program should be extended in all levels. Number of fire stations have to be increased, particularly for the RMZ dense area. Combined firefighting team within the cluster of the factory can be developed. Provision should be made to share the water within the cluster of the factories. The qualified electrical engineer and the hazard specialist need to be associated with the factory and electrical installation to be checked periodically. Warehouse need to be maintained following the storage guidelines. Industrial volunteer need to be developed. Maintain water reservoir and hydrant connection for all for the firefighting. Maintain road space minimum 9 meters. All means of entrance must be always kept clean and unobstructed from the load, goods, machineries.